Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we delve into another fascinating word in the English language. Today's word is commissioner, a rather formal term, but one you'll definitely encounter as you progress in your English studies. So, what exactly is a commissioner? Well, a commissioner is a senior official who is responsible for a particular department or area within a government or organization. They are often appointed to oversee specific tasks, implement policies, or investigate issues. Think of them as high-ranking decision-makers. Now, let's explore some synonyms for commissioner. A good synonym is administrator. For instance, the administrator of the Environmental Protection Agency announced new regulations. Another useful synonym is director, as in, the director of the company's marketing division implemented a bold new strategy. We can also use the word supervisor, but it's usually at a less senior level. An example, the building supervisor ensured all safety protocols were followed. A more formal synonym would be regulator. For example, the financial regulator imposed a hefty fine on the bank. Finally, we could also use overseer in some contexts, though it's a slightly older-fashioned term. Consider this. The overseer of the project made sure everything was completed on time. Now, let's move on to antonyms. It's a little trickier to find direct antonyms for commissioner since it describes a position of authority. However, we can think about words that represent subordinates or those who are being governed. One possible antonym is subordinate. For example, the subordinate followed the commissioner's instructions carefully. Another antonym could be employee, indicating someone who works under the authority of a commissioner. For instance, the employee reported directly to the commissioner. We could also consider citizen as an antonym, representing the people that the commissioner serves or regulates. The commissioner is responsible for the well-being of the citizens. Another contrasting term could be constituent, those who are represented by a governmental commissioner. An example, the constituents voice their concerns to the commissioner. A further antonym could be follower. The follower accepted the commissioner's decision. Let's consider how the word commissioner can be used in everyday life. You might hear about a police commissioner on the news, responsible for overseeing the police force in a city. Or you might read about a sports commissioner who governs a professional sports league. The term can also be used in a more general sense to describe someone who is in charge of a particular task or project, although in those cases synonyms like director or leader might be more common. Here are some example sentences and phrases using commissioner. The commissioner announced a new initiative to improve public safety. She was appointed as the commissioner for human rights. The commissioner is responsible for overseeing the implementation of the new regulations. He addressed the concerns raised by the community during the commissioner's hearing. The commissioner stressed the importance of transparency and accountability in government. We need to contact the commissioner's office to file a complaint. The mayor nominated her for the position of commissioner. The city council voted to approve the new commissioner. The commissioner held a press conference at 2 p.m. to discuss the issue. The commissioner is a highly respected figure in the community. The commissioner resigned amid allegations of corruption. The commissioner emphasized the need for collaboration. The commissioner made a statement regarding the ongoing investigation. The commissioner is dedicated to serving the public interest. The commissioner's duties include managing the department's budget. The commissioner listened attentively to the arguments presented. The commissioner is scheduled to meet with stakeholders next week. The commissioner oversaw the successful completion of the project. The commissioner played a crucial role in resolving the conflict. The commissioner has extensive experience in public administration. The commissioner is committed to promoting equality and diversity. The commissioner acknowledged the challenges facing the community. The commissioner vowed to address the concerns raised by the residents. The commissioner implemented a new policy to improve efficiency. The commissioner held a town hall meeting to engage with the public. The commissioner is working to create a more sustainable future. The commissioner emphasized the importance of education and training. The commissioner is a strong advocate for social justice. The commissioner is responsible for enforcing the laws and regulations. The commissioner is a role model for young people. The commissioner is dedicated to serving the community with integrity. So, to recap, a commissioner is a high-ranking official with significant responsibility. We explored synonyms like administrator, director, supervisor, regulator, and overseer, and antonyms like subordinate, employee, citizen, constituent, and follower. We looked at how the word is used in everyday contexts, from police commissioners to sports commissioners. I hope you found this episode helpful and informative. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. Before we wrap up, I have a small favor to ask. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show and learn English too. Finally, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word commissioner and share it as a comment under the video. I look forward to reading your examples. Until next time, keep practicing and keep learning.